Workbook time! I can help you! Wow! Thanks, Big Ugly Hand!
Hello everybody, these are pages 38 and 39 of the Let's Go 3 workbook, and today we're starting Unit 5, and this part is from the dialogue. And the dialogue in your student books looked like this.
Can you play tomorrow?
Sorry, I can't. I'm busy on Saturday.
Oh, what about Sunday? Can you play?
Yes, I can. I'm free.
Great! See you on Sunday.
All right, so all we have to do here is write in the missing words and then write in the numbers on the side here. And this one was first. And this one we had Kate, and she asked Jenny, can you play with us tomorrow? So we'll trace play first, P-L-A-Y, and cross it off. All right, let's find number 2. Yes, I can. No, Jenny was busy, so here we go. I can't. I'm busy. I'm on Saturday. So that one was number 2. And I can't should be great, I can't, busy, I can't, Sunday, I can't, sorry, I can't, or free, I can't. Okay, sorry. I can't. I'm on Saturday. I'm great on Saturday, I'm busy on Saturday, I'm Sunday on Saturday, or I'm free on Saturday. Well, if she says sorry, then she's probably busy. I'm busy on Saturday. B-U-S-Y. Okay, then Kate's turn to talk again, and Kate says, oh, because she's surprised. Oh, what about Can you play? So this is number 3. And what about great? What about Sunday? Or what about free? What about Sunday? She wants Jenny to come over on Sunday. Sunday, question mark. Can you play? All right, and then Jenny says, yes, I can. I'm, that's number 4. Yes, I can. I'm great. I'm free. I'm free. I don't have a schedule. Which means that this one must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Kate says, see you on Sunday. Kate says, great. Write in a big G to start. Big G, R-E-A-T, exclamation mark, because she's very happy. And part A's done. All right, this is part B, and part B says, look at A, write the conversation. So we have to write this whole thing one more time. Okay, we can do it. First one, can you play with us tomorrow? We'll just trace that. Can you play with us tomorrow? Question mark. Okay, and then up here, number 2 was, sorry, I can't. I'm busy on Saturday. We're gonna watch out for these punctuation marks to try to match it to part A. So Jenny said, sorry, comma, I can't. Period. I'm busy on Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Period. All right, then number 3 was, oh, what about Sunday? Can you play? So we'll write O first. Oh, she's surprised. And what about Sunday? All right, what with a big W? About Sunday with a big S. Sunday is a name. Question mark. All right, number 4, Jenny said, yes, I can. I'm free. So let's write that. Yes, comma, I can. Period. I'm free. Period. All right, last one, number 5. Kate says, Great! See you on Sunday. Let's write great first. Big G, start of a sentence. E-A-T. And she's happy, very happy. Just exclamation mark. And then a big S. E-E-Y-O-U. On. And Sunday has a big S again. S-U-N, sun, D-A-Y, day, exclamation mark, and look at that. I missed one big part here. Sorry about that. This was 3. Oh, what about Sunday? Can you play? I forgot to write can you play. Can you play? There we go. I'm done now. Let's go on to part C. Okay, this is part C, and it says look and circle. So we're going to just look at this girl here, and this is her schedule, or like what she's going to do in the week, her plan. And we're gonna see which days she can play on. So if there's a picture, that means that she's busy on that day. So on Monday, she has art class. She has nothing on Tuesday. On Wednesday, she has music class. On Thursday, she has computer class. And on Friday, she has nothing. All right, and we're gonna use the pattern, can you play, just like in our student books. Can you play on Monday? Monday, she has art class, so she says, no, I can't. Can you play on Thursday? Let's look at Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday she has computer class, so she says, no, I can't. Can you play on Friday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. She's free, so she says, yes, I can. Can you play on Tuesday? Monday, Tuesday. She's free on Tuesday, so she says, yes, I can. And part C is done. Okay, and part D is, a lot of writing again. There's a lot of writing on these pages. For part D, it says unscramble. That's these words here that are all mixed up. Write, so write the day over here, and put in order. So over here, we're gonna write it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so let's start with Ridfano, Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Next one says Yidsna. Nope, that should be, big S. So it's either Saturday or Sunday, and I see a U, so I think Sunday. So S-U-N-D-A-Y. All right, and Sunday is the first day, but I'm gonna do this part after. It'll be a little bit easier to just leave it alone. Next one says, du yeast. The big letter is a T, so it's either Tuesday or Thursday, but there's no H in here, so I think it's Tuesday. So big T, U-E-S-D-A-Y. Number 4 says, Saw-deter. Well, again, big T, so Tuesday or Thursday. Tuesday's done, so this is T-H-U, Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Next one says odd many. Well, there's an M there, the big letter, so it must be Monday. Only day of the week that starts with an M. Monday. All right, the next one says Tracidua. And the big letter is an S, so it could be Saturday or Sunday. But Sunday's already done, and there are the letters to make Saturday. So this one's Saturday. 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 All right, the last one says Natty Wes. Well, there's a big W, so this has to be Wednesday. And when I write Wednesday, I like to remember the spelling as Wednesday, just for spelling. It helps me remember it. Wednesday. Okay, now let's take these ones and put them in order over here. So the first day of the week is Sunday. Can you remember the little song? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, here goes Sunday. Next one was Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday. Spelling Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Saturday. And done. Oof, my hand is tired from all that writing. Good job, everybody.